Hi, dear kids! We missed our times together where you helped us connect the puzzle pieces together, so we thought why not do it again? To make this easier for you, we have placed these colorful pieces all over the place where the puzzle's pieces are. So what we need to do first is go and grab all of our animal friends so we will place them in the right way. Roar! The king of the jungle is the next one we are finding here. Let's place him next to the animal with the longest neck, but we won't leave it at that. That is right! Because we've got one of the smallest one ever, which is this little duck here. Now that we got all our friends in front of us, let's place them in the correct line. Yay! You made this happen because the little duck and the giraffe match with each other. Guys, look! We did a wonderful job together at placing all the puzzle pieces in the right way. We really make the dream team here. But you know us. We always got a few more fun games just for you, so help us out again. Let's see what is hidden right inside of this red surprise egg. It is the lovely elephant who seems to be super happy to be among us. Now that we placed the two pieces, time to go and find what is hidden inside of this pan right here. Is that a donkey that we are seeing? Can you guys confirm this for us as well? If it's the donkey, say it out loud. Donkey! Let's follow this other line as well because it might lead us to finding our other friends as well. Look! It is the koala. We just love koalas because they are adorable and super cuddly. Take a look at all the friends that we found on the way, and we can't help but love every single one of them. Now what we need to do is match them correctly. Let's see if the donkey is placed right near the elephant. Yes, you were absolutely right. Now let's keep on looking for the two ones that are left here. You did this effortlessly, dear guys. We are super impressed by your abilities to match every single one of these puzzle pieces. Our other friends needed our help, so we immediately said yes because we have you all to help us out. Aw, it is the adorable bear who seems to lost his way back home, but don't you worry, little baby, because we've got the best team. Where will this other line lead us? Do you guys have any clue? Seems that the owl was having a wonderful time inside of this house, but you need to join your other friends, dear owl. This might be the last line for this round, and we can't express how excited we are to find out our last animal. The tiny hedgehog was hidden right under this cube, but your skills are astonishing, so we knew you'd find them. You didn't even let us finish, and immediately started to yell the right combinations to complete this round of puzzle. Well done, our amazing friends. You are super correct and helpful at all times. What was that we were hearing? Was it you yelling that you wanted more? Well, of course that we will hear you and make some other games. Right in front of that luxurious car we found out friend that lives in the water, that is the little crocodile. What might be hidden under this blue cone? Well, there's only one way to find out. Aw, look! It is our frog friend. Maybe he is just a prince in disguise? Who knows? Wow! This round was all with the ones that live in the water, because now we've got the turtle that just loves swimming around. Time for the real deal! Because now we need your help again to match them. Whoa! This was way easier as it seemed, right? Another round, because we just love spending out time together with you, matching the parts and playing together. Quack, quack! This is the next friend that is joining the game today. This road might lead us to something amazing, so let's find out, shall we? This might look like the polar bear, and he seems a little bit sad because he needs to be reunited with his friends, so that's why we are here to help. It was the sheep that was hidden under the green cone, because we thought we heard something and we weren't wrong. Time to help us once again to match these parts, and we can't wait to see you shine. You did that super quickly. You guys are truly amazing. Did you know that? Our squirrel friend seems to be sitting there all alone, afraid because her other friends are lost. So it is our duty to help them out together. Yay! We found her first friend, and now we are already on our way to find another one. Nemo? Is this where you have been hiding all along? Well, let's go because we need to reunite you with the other friends. This next friend seems to be quite a pro at hiding, so let's go and find who is under that colorful pile of toys. It was our monkey friend, and now without losing any time, let's move over and match these 4 puzzle pieces with each other. Well done, you guys! Did you hear that? It was a round of applause for your great help. Now it is the moment that we sit back and appreciate all the wonderful job we did together. That was truly impressive. We just want to thank you for the cooperation and we'll love to see you soon on another fun game. Bye!